Hey there, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we are diving into a mind-boggling cosmic discovery that has left scientists scratching their heads and questioning everything they thought they knew about black holes. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore a black hole collision that defies all odds and opens up a whole new world of possibilities in astronomy. So, what's all the buzz about? Well, an international team of astronomers has just witnessed something extraordinary. A binary black hole merger that, get this, produced a short gamma-ray burst. Now, if you're like me, you're probably thinking, wait, what? Black holes and gamma-ray bursts? That doesn't compute. And you'd be right to be confused because, traditionally, black hole mergers were thought to be invisible to our telescopes. But this event, my friends, is a game-changer. Let's dive deeper. On November 2024, the LIGO Virgo Kageru observatories picked up a massive gravitational wave event, and just 11 seconds later, a gamma-ray burst followed. Gamma-ray bursts, as you may know, are usually associated with neutron star mergers, not black holes. So, this discovery is like finding a unicorn in a field of horses. It's incredibly rare and exciting. The research team is being cautious, but they're pretty convinced that this correlation is not a coincidence. The odds of these two events being unrelated are incredibly low, almost like winning the cosmic lottery. And that's what makes this discovery so fascinating. It challenges our existing theories and opens up a whole new frontier in multi-messenger astronomy. Now, here's where it gets even more mind-bending. The black holes involved in this merger were massive, like really massive. Each one was over 100 times the mass of our Sun. That's significantly larger than most black hole mergers we've detected before, which usually involve black holes with masses in the tens of solar masses. So, not only are these black holes merging, but they're doing it in a way that defies our expectations and challenges our understanding of black hole formation. But how did this merger produce a gamma-ray burst? Well, the researchers have an intriguing theory. They believe that these black holes merged within the dense disk of gas and dust surrounding a galaxy's central supermassive black hole, known as an active galactic nucleus, AGN. In this fuel-rich environment, the merger triggered a powerful process where the newly formed black hole received a kick, propelling it through the surrounding material. As it moved, it accreted matter at an incredible rate, creating relativistic jets of radiation and particles. These jets interacted with the dense gas, generating shockwaves and heating the material, eventually releasing a burst of high-energy photons, our gamma-ray burst. This discovery is a huge deal for multi-messenger astronomy. It suggests that we can now study black hole mergers not just through gravitational waves but also through light. It's like getting a front-row seat to the most violent events in the universe. And that's not all. This event could also be used as a standard siren to measure cosmic distances, helping us understand the universe's growth and expansion. So, there you have it, folks. A black hole collision that defies expectations, challenges theories, and opens up a whole new era in astronomy. It just goes to show that the universe is full of surprises, and we've only scratched the surface of what's out there. Personally, I can't wait to see what other cosmic wonders we uncover next. Until then, keep looking up and wondering, because the universe is an incredible place, and we are just getting started exploring it.